Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your iPhone 12 mini, at the first you have to go for the Play Store and App Store and get Send Anywhere app to transfer data. So let's get it on the both devices. Let's start from Android and go right now for iPhone. Now just wait. Let's open on our iPhone, accept all permissions that pops on your screen, and open on Android phone. And here we have to also accept everything that we have. And right now, as you can see, we can send photos, videos, audio, apps, contacts, and other files that we have on our smartphone. But it's only example, so I'm going to show you very fast how it looks. So I'm going to take maybe this photo and 2 screenshots. And right here we got the number of the selected files. So we selected 3 files, and to send we have to click right here. After that, on your iPhone you have to move to the receive at the bottom, click on the input key and input the 6-digit pin to your iPhone. And after that, click to receive. Click OK. And as you can see, the transfer is complete. So right now, when we enter the photos, we will be able to find all stuff that we sent from this Android phone to our iPhone 12 mini. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!